Princess Cruises app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of your Princess Cruises app. Head over to your Play Store and search for Princess. If it shows open, then it is updated. In case you see update, tap on update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Scroll below and tap onto apps. Here search for Princess again. Then here tap onto storage and delete the data. Make sure that you remember your credentials before deleting this app's data. Once done, tap on delete. Now come back and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall this application. Long tap onto the app and tap on uninstall. Tap on OK and you can easily download this app from your Play Store or your App Store. Once done, get back logged into your Princess Cruises app and this will definitely fix your app not working problem in your device. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.